Vacuum beats, vacuum beats, vacuum beats, vacuum beats, vacuum beats.
Louis, do you want some?
Don't you call me
porridge
Louise.
to eat?
Vacuum beats, Mom.
I'm sorry, vacuum beats. Louis, why do you talk to me like that?
What's going on with you guys? It is vacuumbeats.com, and I'm here today because I'm going to do a plugin review. But before I get to that, make sure you guys smash the like button. Like, really hit it hard. Last time, we got it to 3 likes. Can we get to 4? Like, gang, where you at, you know? Who's your favorite gangster trap producer? It's Vacuum Beats, where my beats don't what? The beats don't suck. That's right. So today we're gonna do 2 plugin reviews that I actually saw on an Instagram ad on my feed.
What's good with you? My name is Sus Bunny Beats. It's a nigga named Curtis King that released 2 plugins. After Image.
After Image.
After Image.
Yeah.
And Mighty Duck.
Doing great.
If you want your beats to be slapping, I want to get both of those plugins. Stay 10 toes down. Keep God first. Shit easy to use. I ain't really used it yet, but that shit look easy to use. I would definitely go get this if I was a broke ass producer, but I'm not. That's why I get these for free.
So pretty much anything that Sus Bunny approves or cosigns, I'm gonna go out and cop. And so I got this. So guys, I actually took the liberty of working on a beat, and I gotta admit, it's a kind of a banger. So what I'm gonna do is go against every one of the instructions that were actually on the landing page. They say, hey, you should probably put this on the melody. I'm just gonna put this on the master channel, you know, because if you can't elevate the whole beat, what's the purpose of your plugins? And then also too, let's draw our attention over here to the pink color. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't want to see pink in my plugins. You know, when I'm focused on parametric equalizing the equalizer underneath the heart monitor of the snare drum, I don't really want to see pink. Pink just really triggers me. Plus, she left me, and she used to wear pink all the time. Anyways, guys, so I want to show you this plugin, but I'm actually going to put it on the master channel. Let's see what it sounds like just as the basic, just, you know, the first preset. So guys, I don't like this stereo width that's going on with this plugin. I know it's only the first preset and I haven't really changed any of the knobs and I don't really know anything about any of the knobs, but I just think that it's just too much, you know? It makes my beats sound like super cinematic and like 3D, and like, what if I just want to be one-dimensional? Anyways, guys, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give this 1 vacuum down all the way.
Vacuum Beats, I ironed your underwear for you. You don't.
Mom, if you don't shut the fuck up.
Oh, you still doing that YouTube? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna tackle your ass down the stairs.
Why you talk to me like that?
Leave me the fuck alone. Let's go to Mighty Duck, or MIDI Duck. I don't know how you pronounce it. This is a total ripoff of Kickstart. Like, let's actually put them side by side, okay? They're both wave shapers, and obviously, look, 1 knob here, 1 knob here. This one has lines, and this one has lines you can draw in. Who the hell wants to do that? That feature already vacuums. I'll play the beat and run through some presets, okay? Trash, 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 trash. I'm sorry, guys, but this one's gonna have to get another vacuum down. This is already a banger before I got these 2 plugins, and for some reason, it's just not taking it to the next level. I never made a plugin before, so I don't really know exactly what goes into it, but I can tell you guys one thing. This is trash. Unless you like making your own beats and everything from scratch and you enjoy the process as it is, you're not gonna like these at all. I'm just telling you that right now. Vacuum up that like button. We're trying to go for 5 likes. Leave a comment below. Like you could do it right now. Don't make me go to my burner account. Vroom vroom. Why haven't you left a comment yet, guys? Vacuumbeats.com.
Vacuum Beats, are you done with your little YouTube video?
Shut up, Mom.
That's why your beat is mid, son.
I'm gonna kick your dusty ass.
How dare you? Come catch this face, son.
Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.